You think you have one deductible. You probably have three. And the biggest one can be 30 times larger than the number you remember picking. Here's what's actually written into your policy. A deductible is just the amount you pay out of pocket before your insurance starts covering a claim. Pick a $1,000 deductible, and on a covered loss, you pay the first $1,000. The problem is that most people picture that one flat number and assume it applies to everything. It usually doesn't. Auto, home, and health each handle deductibles differently, and a single home policy can carry more than one. With hurricane season underway, that gap is where people get blindsided. Start with the familiar kind. The flat dollar deductible. This is the fixed number you chose, typically $500, $1,000, or $2,500. It's how most auto claims and standard home claims work. If a tree falls on your car and repairs run $4,000 with a $1,000 deductible, you pay $1,000 and the insurer typically covers the rest. Here's the lever most people miss. Raising your deductible lowers your premium because you agree to absorb more of a small claim yourself. Lower it, and your premium tends to rise. That trade-off only pays off if you'd have the cash when a claim hits. Now the kind that surprises people. The percentage deductible. On many home policies, certain losses don't use your flat number. Hurricane, windstorm, and named storm damage are often tied to a percentage of your home's insured value, commonly 1 to 5%. Say your home is insured for $400,000 and your hurricane deductible is 5%. That's $20,000 before coverage kicks in, not the $1,000 you had in mind. Same house, same storm, a different number. These special deductibles typically only trigger for named storms, and the percentage varies by location and insurer. Health insurance adds a twist. There, the deductible is the total you pay across the year before the plan starts sharing costs, and it resets annually. Hit a $2,000 deductible in March, and the plan begins covering its share for the rest of the year. But the deductible isn't your only cost. After it, you often still owe copays or coinsurance up to a separate out-of-pocket maximum. The pattern across all three is the same. The deductible is rarely a single number. It can be flat or percentage-based, per claim or per year. So you don't have one deductible. You have a system of them, hiding on your declarations page. The number you pay depends entirely on which kind a given claim triggers. Pull up your policy this week and find your deductibles before you ever need them. Subscribe for a new Plain English Insurance Explainer every week.